Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with yet another sneaker unboxing. This time it is back to something a little bit normal. It's a Nike SB, people. It's a purple box. So we're going to do the normal thing. I'm going to go over here and these are a Nike SB Bruin React. They are in Pollen, Black Pale Coral. Now these are actually a UK 9 which makes them a US 10 and a European 44. Back to the middle. We've borrowed these. Thank you very much to Decade to have a sneak peek at, and they're very, very nice. Now, as we all know, it's Tokyo Olympics at the moment, and boosh! These are the Bruin React T. Now, last year, Nike SB actually released the first set of Bruin Reacts for the Tokyo Olympics, and I've got a pair. Now, obviously, the Olympics were delayed by a year, and skateboarding is featuring for the very first time at Tokyo this year. So, the Nike SB have done a new drop, and this is one of the pairs, and I've got to say, these are lovely. These are flipping lovely. Let's take them up to this. Yep, they are flipping lovely. I must admit, material-wise, I prefer these, although I might have to get mine out because I think the material mix may be the same. It's just the colours. Now this yellow mustardy colour is just super, super nice. You've got the suede at the front on the toe box and on the front side panels. You've also got, I thought this was like just drawn on in the pictures that Nike SB put out, but you've actually got the suede swoosh in that mustard colour. Then you've got, is it like a plastic mesh overlay rather than an actual painting? And it looks really, really nice in hand. And hopefully that's coming across on camera, because personally, I did not like that in some of the pictures I'd seen. And as I said, it looked like it was paint and sort of drawn on. So this looks so much nicer. Then if you flick it round on the inside, so that's the outside. On the inside, you've got the plain black suede swoosh, which goes underneath the midsole. The midsole is in like almost like a pale pink. It's quite hard to tell under these lights, actually. It's not pure white. It's not an off-white. It's got like a pinky tinge to it. It's like clay. It's like clay, like a really pale clay. Really, really nice. And you got that. The Bruin toe box there, which is quite distinct. Then you've got the Bruin React label and that sort of mesh on the tongue. Then if we flip round, you've got that sort of mesh material on the side there as well. Then at the back you've got the suede again. Then you've got that bright neon Nike. We've finished off in black. Then that flash of red, which is really nice. The pink against the red just looks really, really nice. And against that yellow. And inside, we're going to get the other one out, actually. Because inside, we're not going to take the inner sole out because we have just borrowed these. It does say 2021. Just really, really nice touches. They've got these in a white saily colour as well, I think. I can't quite remember, but this colourway is super, super nice, like really nice to go into full. And these feel solid as well, even though the React sole is quite it's quite light, but it also feels really robust underfoot. I've been wearing the Bruin Edge that has the same sort of sole, and they're quite, I don't know, they're quite stiff actually. They're really robust, but also light. That doesn't really make any sense. But yeah, if you've worn them, you know what I mean. Now, I just want to compare. So these are this year's. Now, I've got the Bruin React Tokyo from 2020, the originals. We looked at these on stream the other week. Now, if you see here, I'm just going to bring this in, which I'll go to this camera. Can you see that? There we go. Excuse my nails. Ah! What am I doing? Can't quite get it right. There we go. It's there. It's there. So it actually has the date of the original Olympics of 2020, and obviously COVID happened and there's no such thing as the Olympics of 2020. It now happened in 2021. So this is the original pair that came out last year, and I sort of updated these for this year. And I've got to say, I do prefer, so on mine, the swoosh is sort of painted on, and on this year's one, as I said, it's more of a plasticky mesh that they've done rather than painted it pure on. So I think that actually looks nicer. But yeah, just it is a super nice sneaker. Really, really nice. I'm pretty impressed with that. Pretty impressed. But yeah, real nice. And there's the Bruin sole, Nike SB there. So yeah, not a lot else to say about these. Just super, super nice, clean Bruin. I'm a big fan of these. As I said, massive shout out to Decade for letting us borrow them and do a quick review. He does have some in stock, several pairs in a size 9, which these are. So if you're a size 9 and you're after a pair of these, go check out Decade. Really, really nice pair of sneakers. Do I try and hunt a pair out in my size? Ooh, or do I do it? I don't know. Anyway, guys, leave us a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on these. Do you like these? Do you prefer last year's? Give us the video the old thumbs up. Give it a thumb down if you don't like it. It's all good. And don't forget to come along and join us on Sundays, where we do Sneaker Stream Sundays, where we talk about sneakers, what's been in the news, what you guys have worn, and that's at 8 p.m. here in the UK, which is 3 p.m. on the East Coast, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, about 5 a.m. If you do happen to be in Tokyo for the Olympics, you never know. So yeah, come along and join us. And I am going to go walk the dog now. So go and check out one of our other videos, which is here. Probably be another Nike SB video. Might even be a Bruin video. Go check it out.